Hey, what's up guys? It's Lucas Casper here again, and I'm putting a piece together for an exhibition coming up. One thing that a lot of people don't know about me is before I started pursuing my art career full time, I actually used to volunteer with animals and help out sort of wherever I could. That's how the name Casper actually came up. So Casper was my dog's name as I was growing up. It was a white boxer and he was a little legend. These days I'm a little bit more busy with like an unpredictable schedule. You know, being an artist, you never know when something's going to come up. So I can't volunteer my time anymore to help out. So what I'm doing is I'm putting together a body of work themed around animals. They're going to be in all different things from carved skateboards to canvases to smaller timber pieces to larger 3D structures. And today is going to be one of those larger ones. I'm actually going to be painting a bilby, and the whole gimmick behind this show is that all the money raised from the paintings that are sold are going to go directly towards funding a mural at a non-for-profit animal space. So I guess everything's sort of coming full circle with this project. Instead of donating my time, I'm going to be donating funds and a mural to a space that really needs it. Hopefully it can add foot traffic and a bit of positivity to the space. So yeah, I've already carved up this piece, so I'm just going to take it out the back here and get started on the painting. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I noticed that a lot of you aren't actually subscribed to the channel, so if you do enjoy my art, check out the other videos, sub to it, like, leave a comment, do all that good stuff, and I will catch you on the next one.